Hey guys, welcome to week 7 of Weight Loss Monday. I'm so sorry this is a day late. If you follow my vlogs regularly on my vlog channel, if not, I'll have that link down below. But if you do, then you know Emmy and her cookie booth have run us ragged the whole weekend. We were at Cookie Booth the entire weekend to try and meet her goal for Girl Scouts, which she is nearly there. She has about 200 boxes to sell, so we'll have some cookie booths this coming up weekend, but hopefully it doesn't take over my life like last weekend. So yesterday, I had to get grocery shopping in. We had not gone grocery shopping in weeks, and we were so low on food. I didn't have any healthy options to choose from, none. We were completely out of meat, and so we had to go grocery shopping. So we went early yesterday morning, and it ran. By the time we got home, unpacked, I filmed, it ran into her cookie booth, which was from 1 to 3, and then by the time I got home, counted cookies. I had to go to work last night, so yesterday was kind of rough. I didn't get home till 10. I still had to edit the vlog and all this stuff, so I didn't get a chance to film Weight Loss Monday yesterday, but here we are, Weight Loss Tuesday, and I had a great week. I lost 1.4 pounds this week. I am down to 286.1. Yes. 286.1. So I'm so happy. I haven't been this weight in a little while. I think right around in between having Maddie and Autumn, I teetered somewhere in the 270s. And at one point back in 2015, I believe, when I started Weight Loss Wednesday with Stephanie, I had got down to 265, I think, was the lowest I had got down to, because I started right under 300 and I lost about 30 or 32 pounds. And then that was like, I started in January and I lost 32 pounds by the time we went to California in May. So I am down 23.3 pounds total, which is awesome. I'm only 9 pounds away from what I had lost that time, and that took me 5 months. So I'm super excited. We have a trip coming up for spring break that I haven't shared where we're going yet, but we have a trip coming up, and I would love to be down to low 280s by that point. So I'm 286. I have 3 more weigh-ins before we leave, well, including yesterday's weigh-in, I believe. I didn't bring my phone, so I think I have 2 more weigh-ins. Yeah, 2 more weigh-ins before we leave, and then I will miss a Weight Loss Monday while we're over there, because we're leaving on Friday. We won't be back till the following Thursday, so I will not have a scale, or my usual scale, to weigh on. So there'll be a 2-week period there or a week period where we'll go from weighing in one Monday and then skipping a Monday and then weighing in when we get back from vacation. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm amazed, because I had a great weight loss last week, and I thought typically great weight loss weeks, for me at least, are followed by a really low weight loss the next week. And I think 1.4 pounds is amazing, especially because I was battling bloating and stuff from having my cycle this past week. So I was really thinking that I wasn't going to lose weight. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys had a phenomenal week as well. I wanted to share some things with you guys. So I get a lot of questions about, I know last week's vlog was kind of like negative questions and things. This week is not like that, but I do get a lot of questions about things that I use as far as like tracking and whatnot. So for food, I use MyFitnessPal. You guys know that. I mention it every week. If you want to follow me, my username is hkitty1122. I always have it in the bottom bar as well. MyFitnessPal, it's free and it's great at tracking. You can have it track your macros if you're doing macros. Like when I was doing keto, I had it track my macros and it worked fine. And now that I'm doing a more, well-balanced lifestyle, it works great for me as well. And last week I did feel like I had a few little extras here and there. Like it was Valentine's Day and I didn't have anything Valentine's Day, but the next day I was like, oh, I wanted chocolate so bad. So I had one little piece of chocolate that had caramel in it, and it's one of those things, like, I don't want to feel like I'm depriving myself every single day. There are days that I have such a great day. I have eaten everything healthy. I drank all the water that I was supposed to. I did not have any little bit of cheats at all. And even those days that I do, like the day that I did have a chocolate, it fit nicely into my caloric intake, into my macros for the day. I didn't have any issues as far as weight loss goes. Now, for some people, having just a little bit of chocolate is a slippery slope to eating all of the chocolate that they want to eat, or having ice cream. I'm trying really hard to get my mind out of that mindset that, okay, you have one little cheat item, then that's it. You know, you have your little cheat item and you move on. You eat healthy the rest of the day. You don't let one little thing discourage you from continuing on your journey. Even if you have a really bad day and you're like, oh, today was awful, I ate everything, I didn't track anything, start over tomorrow. Don't let yourself get into that slippery slope where you're like, oh, I just messed up, I'll start next Monday, I'll start the following Monday, I'll start in 4 days. No, don't do that. Let yourself start to get into the mindset where you're like, okay, today wasn't the greatest day for me. I'm going to be better tomorrow. So that's what I'm trying to do with weight loss. This morning, I'm working out. This morning, I told myself yesterday, I'm going to go to the gym today. Like, this is the week that I want to try and work out twice, maybe. Normally, I don't work out at all, or once for the week. I think I've worked out like 3 or 4 times the entire time I've been doing this. So it averages out to almost once a week. So this week I was like, you know what? I'm not going to say I'm going to work out every day or 3 to 5 days. I'm going to say I'm going to try and work out twice. So yesterday I told myself I'm going to try and make it to the gym today. I'm going to try, right? So I even got up and got in workout stuff, and I haven't had the opportunity to go. I've been so busy on the computer editing videos. I knew I needed to film this, playing with Autumn, doing Etsy stuff, and just my everyday life things that I have to do, getting the girls ready for school, just things like that. I didn't make it a priority for myself to go to the gym this morning, so I said, you know what, I'm off today. I have plenty of opportunity to go to the gym later. Just because I didn't do it first thing in the morning, I'm not going to say, oh, I won't go today, just because I didn't get it done first thing like I wanted to. I still have it on my agenda. It's only 1 p.m. I still have plenty of time the rest of the day to try and go to the gym. So I'm trying to get myself in that mindset. Today is only Tuesday. I still have 5 days left of the week to make a second attempt to go to the gym. So that's my goal. I'm starting off small. Working out is not something that is my strong point. I don't like working out. I don't like taking the time to work out. I don't like sweating and having to wash my hair more often, and just all the things that come with working out. It doesn't make me feel better. A lot of people say, oh, I feel so much better after a workout. I feel tired. My body hurts for days after, and it doesn't make me feel good. Not right now, not in this phase of my weight loss. Once I get more active and I work out more frequently, it probably will make me feel better. But right now it doesn't, so it's not something that I look forward to. So I need to get myself into that mentality of like, this is going to make me feel better. It's going to help my skin not be so loose, and to help my size drop, and not just see numbers on the scale drop and not see inches drop. So I'm really excited to make an attempt to get into that mindset, and I hope you guys are too. I hope if it's something that you struggle with, that we can inspire each other, motivate each other, and all that good stuff. So another thing that I get asked a lot is about my Fitbit. I have a Fitbit Charge 2. I will link it down below. You can get them for fairly inexpensive. I want to say when Andres and I got ours, he got them from QVC on a payment plan, but Amazon actually has them for the cheapest price. You just have to pay for it all at once. So I love, love, love this thing. Now, when I first got it, I did get just basic silicone bands. Mine came with a pink one. It came black, and then Andres bought me the pink band. And these are really cool because the bands slip right off. All you have to do is just unhook them, and they come right off. And this is literally just the Fitbit right here. And then if you want to put them back on, you snap them right back on. So it's very easy to keep clean, very easy to wear, switch out the bands. I love, love, love it. I love this one. It takes your heart rate, so it tracks your caloric intake for the day, or your output for the day. It also tracks your sleep cycle, and it tracks your how many, when you work out, it knows when you're working out, when you're doing a little bit more strenuous activity. It tracks your steps. I really enjoy it, and it's very motivating. I found that when I first got it, I was making more of an effort to walk, and I wanted to hear the little ding 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 when I reached my 10,000 step goal. Now you don't, my grandma has one, and her goal for the day is, you know, like 3,000 steps. So you don't have to do a 10,000 step goal. I just did it that way because I felt like that would make me want to do 10,000 steps, and I very rarely hit it, even if I'm at work, because I do a lot of standing versus walking. So it's a great tool to have. I feel like it does alter your mind to be like, oh, I need to move. And it reminds you every hour, once on the hour, every hour, to get up and move. It'll say, hey, you need, like, it kind of averages out how many steps you need to get throughout the day, like per hour, to reach your goal. And it so it tells you, hey, you need 100 more steps to get to your goal. You have 10 minutes to do it. And so you can get up off the couch and move around for a little while and then sit back down, you know, things like that. So I really find it motivating for myself. And also I love the fact that it can be changed so many times. So when I had the band first, I bought it in a large just for size reference, which you can see the band size here. If you're a plus size person in general, probably a large would work for you, because I think it goes down to like a 5-inch wrist all the way up to a 9-inch wrist. My wrist is 6 1/4. For being a bigger person, I actually have a fairly small wrist. So mine is 6 1/4 inches, and the large has got to the point where I'm on the very last hole on me. So it, that they barely fit anymore, and they're still kind of loose. So what I did, I have these extra bands I'm going to give to my mom because my mom has a Fitbit. So we bought these on Amazon. I will link them down below. Literally, I went on Amazon and I typed in Fitbit Charge 2 bands, and a whole bunch of options pop up. But I will link the ones that I bought because I feel like they're the best deal. So I get a lot of questions about this band. This one is the Champagne Metal Band. So this metal magnetic band. So I like this better than the rubberized bands because they, for one, it's a little bit more durable and it looks more sleek, I feel like, because I've been wearing it for a long time. For like 3 months I stopped wearing it because I was going to work and things, and the rubber bands just don't match my work attire. But I got used to being able to see the time and the date and whatnot, and follow my steps. And so I was like, I need to get something that's a little bit more professional for H&R Block. So I picked up this one. Like I said, I'll link it down below. I think it was like $12.99 or something like that. Really inexpensive. And then when I bought this one, they had a deal for get the rubberized ones. And I think this is a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 pack for, I think it was $24, and then they gave you 40% off. So if you bought this one, you got this 40% off. So I spent $26 for this one. See, there we go. It's telling me, get up, get your booty up. I got this one and these for $26. And I ended up ordering these in a small. Yeah, you can see here. Here, let me see. I don't know that that'll help you. I will link the exact ones down below. But they're the Fitbit 2 Charge 2 flexible bands in a small. And they fit great. So you can see here, it comes with black, gray, navy, lime green, blue, teal, purple, brown, light pink, light purple, red, dark pink, neon pink, and then like that navy color. So all the colors that you need to alter, and then you can see the size difference. But again, if you have a wrist similar in size to mine, you probably could do the small and be perfectly fine. So there's a size difference. The large were just getting a little too big, and I had too much left over. So I love my Fitbit. I had for a while considered getting an Apple Watch, and just from yes, the Apple Watch has more things, and actually I get notifications on here. In fact, I just got a notification for a text message. It vibrates and it lets me read part of the text message. Now you can't reply or talk to it or anything like that, but it does ring and tell you who's calling. Like, it vibrates and it tells you who's calling your phone, and then it vibrates and it'll let you read part of the text message so you can see who text messaged you. Now, of course, with an Apple Watch or whatever the one that links with the Samsung, those you can talk back to and text back, and you can answer from it and different things. But I didn't need all of that. I don't need to access my apps. I have my phone with me almost constantly. This was something that was better for fitness than the Apple Watch and the Samsung thing. but it also does give you notifications. So I thought it was great. A lot of people asked me about it. I love, love, love it. I will recommend it hands down. And like I said, I'll have links to all of these things if you're interested in them. I am so happy with my week. I hope you guys had a great week, like I said, and I hope next I hope next week is just as good. We'll have to see how the working out goes. I will definitely let you guys know next week. Hopefully you had a great week and you enjoyed hearing about mine. We will see you next week, hopefully a little lighter.